Marriage isn't only but a social construct that we dream for one day. In all its bliss, marriage comes with its share of challenges. The beauty of your marriage is that now, Daniel and Lauren, you can face these challenges together as a team. You can face these challenges and learn from them, grow, and move forward knowing you have one another. You are an unstoppable team that together you can accomplish anything you desire. You can move forward knowing that each one of you is a solid foundation in each other's lives. You can celebrate your successes, your accomplishments, and continue to nurture your love for one another. Always be mindful to be respectful of one another, to give each other the confidence and assurance that there is no other entity in this world more important than one another, and the vows you will exchange today. I think it's safe to say that everyone here loves and respects you both very much, and extend their utmost best wishes for a wonderful and long-lasting life together. You both deserve it so much, and we all love you, and we're very proud of you guys.
Dee, thank you for being the love of my sister's life, cherishing her unconditionally, especially helping her catch her breath once in a while and putting her in her place, only when necessary, of course. Believe it or not, this one needs it sometimes. Thanks for stepping in as the big bro I never had, and now I actually do. I still can't believe we're here today. I wish you both nothing but love, happiness, and a beautiful life together. Cheers to Mr. and Mrs. Fraser.
Me more. I love you. I promise I will always be there for you through the thick and thin. I will support you even when times are great and when times are rough. Doc and I will always support and watch Bachelorette showing with you on Monday. From the high school passing periods till now, you always put a smile on my face. I don't know if this goes with traditional vows, but you are sexy, beautiful, intelligent, and overall amazing. I am a lucky man that will forever be by your side and sacrifice anything for you. Maybe not my NFL Sundays, but deep down you love that Red Zone channel. I love you, Mia Moore, forever.
Mine's not that funny.
I can feel it.
I can feel it.
That's so sexy.
Daniel, my love, we're here. Today's our day. I'm so lucky not only to be marrying you, but also to be gaining a family as amazing as yours. We have both been so blessed with best role models as parents. Cannot wait to see you be a dad to our future 2, not 3, children. I have always known there is something so special about you underneath that handsome but tough exterior. You are kind, thoughtful, and so patient with me. I choose you today and every day for the rest of my life. I vow to impart courage, support, and believe in you always. I promise to never keep score, except for in a game of sequence or Scrabble, because I always win. I vow to continue to love and cherish you in every adventure we have together. I promise to remember patience and kindness, especially in hard times. I love you unconditionally, without any hesitation.
We'd like to thank everybody for joining this very special day, Lauren and Daniel's wedding. Mr. and Mrs. Daniel and Lauren Fraser. It has a nice catch? I think so. He's a great guy.
I just want to start off by saying thank you to Lauren for taking one for the team and marrying Daniel. We never thought this day was going to happen, so we're extremely blessed. In all seriousness, I couldn't be happier for you, Daniel. You're my favorite brother.
Honestly, it was an honor to stand up with you tonight. Lauren, you're the best thing that's ever happened to my friend right here. I'm truly blessed that you chose him. We've had so many amazing memories, and I know there's way more to come. I want to raise a glass, make a toast to the newlyweds. Let's make this night one to remember.